Hello, welcome in our third recording. Today we will talk about you and your creativity. And at the end of this recording, I will ask you to fill one form. It's very short, just a few questions, but it will help me to better meet your needs so that I will understand you. And now let's get to know you. I know about you just one thing, only one. I know that you are creative. No matter who you are and what you do, you are creative for sure. Well, unless there is a dog, your pet, sitting in front of this computer. Okay, now I'm not completely sure, but let's say that I'm talking to you. You are creative for sure. You are a human being, and all human beings are creative. And to prove that, we will make a short thought experiment. I want you to imagine an orange. I don't have an orange, but I have this little ball. And now I will ask you to imagine different things and just please follow it. The first step, please imagine that your orange is big as a watermelon. It's very big and it's very tasty. And now we change the color. Your big orange is now green. Now it's red. And finally, it's purple. Please remember, it's your imagination, so you can do anything. And there is a completely different world in your mind where you are the master. Now your big orange is long like banana. And now we can change the shape and make it a cube. Why not? You can do anything. And now it's again a big purple orange in a shape of a ball. Now it's heavy and hard as rock. Please imagine that you have to hold it, and it's very difficult. So that's why we make it to levitate. Your orange is levitating because in your mind there are only your rules. And now it smells like a mango. Why not? And it tastes like a chocolate ice cream. That's quite absurd, but we can do all of that in our imagination. And now your orange shines with red light. Because why not? Now let's imagine that you've got superpowers and you throw it to the cosmos. And at the end, your orange is big as a planet. So now let's imagine all of that. That you've got an orange, which is purple. You can see it on the sky, and it shines with red light, tastes like chocolate ice cream, and smells like mango. In your mind, you should have similar image. And if you can imagine that, and you can for sure, it means that you are creative. No matter what, no matter what you do, you are always creative. But how often do you use your creativity? Well, we use it every day to solve small problems. But when was the last time when you've made something really creative? Was it today? For example, when I was preparing this course, there are a lot of creative things that I have to do. But how about you? Was Were you creative maybe yesterday, maybe last week, or last month? I even know people who think that they were creative more than 1 year ago. But what about you? If you want to be more creative and fill your mind with so many creative ideas and find inspirations, I recommend you to join our group, BeFreak Creativity Group. It's a Facebook group. It's for everyone who wants to be more creative, and you can share your creativity there, but also see examples of other people. Just join us, and please remember that it's for everyone, no matter if you are very creative or not. And the same case is about this course. It's not a challenge, but it was created to help you. And we all are creative, and we all meet obstacles. Do you find it difficult to deal with one of them? For examples, do you have to deal with distractions when you have to do so many things? You try to focus, but well, these distractions do not let you to do this. Maybe you have no time, and maybe it's difficult for you to start from nothing. For example, even I sometimes have problem with motivation. And oh, there is a technical part when you want to make something really creative, but then there is a technical part when you have to do something boring. Or do you have fear or maybe doubts about your creativity? We all have problems with all of that. In this course, I will help you and teach you how to deal with it. But no matter what, remember, you are creative. This is the only thing that I'm sure. And I want you to write down the purpose, the goal. Why do you want to be more creative? Take a paper and write down why do you want to be more creative. Write down your answer. And after you finish it, just uh, put this paper in somewhere in a safe place. It can be visible, but it doesn't have to. It's up to you. But just please do this. And I'm also talking to you. If you still thinking that you are better than others and you don't have to do this, please write down why do you want to be more creative and put it somewhere safe. Okay. And now at the end, please fill the form. It's very short, just a few questions. The link is in the description, and this form will help me to understand you, your needs, and so that I will improve this course to be even better experience for you and all future people who will try to be more creative. That's everything. I wish you a good day and see you in the next recording.